There are different ways of controlling inventory depending on the type of item. QuickJet printers are an example of an independent demand item. Daniel, Anna and Ron discuss.
Independent demand. Sounds complicated.
Not at all. It means that the demand for the item is not linked to the demand for any other item.
Isn't that every item?
No, think about ink cartridge holders, a component of the QuickJet. The amount we buy depends on the demand for QuickJets.
I see. So ink cartridge holders are a dependent demand item.
Yep, but the printers aren't linked to anything else, so they're an independent demand item.
Well, that's nice, but why do I need to know all this?
Because there are different inventory control methods for each type. For independent demand items, like the QuickJets, we use either periodic review or order point methods.
For each type of item, you will learn how much inventory to keep, when to order, and how much to order using the periodic review and order point methods.